Hey guys, here on bench I have MIB unit. This is MIB 1 High from Skoda, and I'm going to show you how to perform so-called full software update, full software download over here. You need an SD card with the firmware that you want to install in the unit, and you need the developer mode to be enabled over here, which you can do with BCDS, OBD11, car scanner, or some tools like More Incredible Bash or MIB Toolbox. Okay, so let me show you over here. If you press and hold the menu button for about 3 seconds and go to software and update, select source and select the version that's on the card, you will have this screen. But if the version installed on the unit and the version on the SD card is the same, you'll have no everywhere. There's nothing to update, because you are currently running those versions. But let's say you want to overwrite the existing versions because of some changes. Maybe you want to make sure that the installed one, the fresh install, has everything in order. So what you need to do is press and hold the menu button again, but this time keep it pressed for about 10 seconds. And after those 10 seconds, you will go from service mode to the test mode. Over here, scroll to the software download, SWDL, and over here trigger the manual download thick. And right now, let's go back to the update screen, which you can do with this shortcut. And right now, you will have 2 additional buttons above the list of components to install, and you have select all. So we can make sure that all components will be installed over here. You have no selection, which turns off everything. And also you can, for example, select all and then scroll down to something like GPS and manually disable it. So you have a custom list of things to install, and then you just need to press start to trigger this installation. That's it.